Hello class 1, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So today in our GK class we will learn from GK fact book. Okay. So we will start with chapter 3. In our previous class we finished with chapter 2. So today we will begin with chapter 3. And the name of our chapter is They Help Us. Okay. Today we will learn people who help us in our daily basis in many ways. Alright. So here Marty Joe met some people. Okay. Marty Joe met some people who help us by doing different jobs for us. Okay. Who help us in many ways. Let's meet them. Okay. So Marty Joe wants to show us. Okay. Marty Joe wants us to meet them. First one is a barber cuts hair. So whenever you want to cut your hair, where do you go? You visit barber, isn't it? So a barber cuts hair. He also helps us to cut our hair. Alright. Next is a tailor stitches clothes. Okay. So what do tailor do? Tailor stitches clothes. Okay. So the clothes that you wear at home, the clothes that you wear at school, the clothes that you wear for occasion, so where do they come from? They come from tailor. Why? Because they stitches our clothes. Okay. Next is a cobbler mends shoes. The shoes that you wear for school, the shoes that you wear whenever you go outside. Who mends it? Cobbler. Okay. A cobbler mends shoes. Okay. Next is a grocer sells grocery. So whenever you want to buy something like eatable food, to buy rice, to buy oil, to buy cake, to buy biscuits, yes, eggs, bread. So where do you go? You go to grocery shop. Yes. So there you will find grocer. Okay. So a grocer sells grocery. He also helps us. Next is a doctor. A doctor treats the sick. So whenever you feel unwell, whenever you get sick, so you visit to a doctor. Yes. He treats us. Then he suggests medicine. Yes. So he or she is a doctor. Okay. Next is a policeman protects us. Okay. So whenever we are in trouble, yes, a policeman comes over and solves. So a policeman protects us from thieves. Yes. Now, what Marty Joe is saying? Marty Joe is saying we should respect all the people irrespective of the kind of job they do. No matter what we all are doing, we should always respect each other. Okay? Because everyone help each other in many ways. Okay? So we should respect each other. This is what Marty Joe is saying. Okay, children? Let's repeat again. First one, a barber cuts hair. He helps us to cut our hair. Next is a tailor stitches clothes. The clothes that I am wearing, the clothes that you are wearing, who stitches them? A tailor. Next is a cobbler mends shoes. Okay, the shoes that you wear, who mends it? A cobbler. Next is a grocer sells grocery. Okay, whenever you want to buy eatable items, you visit grocery. Yes, there you will find grocer. So grocer helps us to sell grocery. Next is a doctor. A doctor treats the sick. Whenever we are sick, a doctor treats us. Next is a policeman protect us. Okay, they protect us from thief. Yes, so a policeman protect us. So children, Marty Joe at the last he is saying we should respect everyone, all the people irrespective of the kind of job they do. Alright. So that's all for today. Now I will show you GK workbook. Okay. Now from GK workbook, turn page number 3. Okay. So today we learned chapter 3 where we learned about people who help us. Isn't it? So here you have to see there are people who are doing their job. Isn't it? Some are sweeping floor. Yes. some are stitching clothes, some are gardening, isn't it? So they all are doing their job. So, and here below that you can see there are items. Yes, there are tools. So you have to match these tools with the people those who are doing their job. Okay, that will match with items. All right. So first one, here there is a person who is repairing a bulb. Yes, repairing wires. Yes. So now here are items. Yes. So among this item, which will match with this person? What is holding here? There is a screw. Yes. So you will match this with this. Okay, this is D. So put here D. Okay. Now next, see, there is a person who is cutting wood. Okay, who is cutting wood? He is a carpenter. Okay, who is cutting wood. So from here, what is using? What is using here? This. Okay, wood cutter. So you have to write here A. Okay. Now next here, a person is sweeping floor. Okay, he is sweeping floor. Now among this and this. Okay, B, C and E. Among this, which will match with here? He is sweeping the floor here. Okay, a broom. So you have to write here. This is E. So you have to write here E. Okay. Now next, see, here is a person who is stitching clothes. Okay. So among this and this, okay, there is, which one will match with here? This, scissor, because with the help of scissor he cuts the clothes and then after he stitches the clothes. So you have to write here C. Okay. Now the last one, see, there is a person who is watering the flower. Okay, and here is only one. This is water pot. Okay, with the help of this we water the flower. All right, so this is B. So you have to write here B. Okay, children, and I request all of you to do this in your book. Okay, till then, bye.